Jamaican hand movements and their meanings.
Beg your song. Respect my boss. Yes, I'm focusing on something right now.
Yes, no Spanish town. Mama Lashy, you're in trouble.
Problem. Trouble, there. You people. You people. Take your hand off of your head. After your mother no dead. A fool you take me for? Hold out your hand. Take me. Penny don't ramp with me. You say if you hold out your hand.
Why you afraid pan me caviar in your jaw?
Awa. Cut and clear out. In the name. Every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess of the Most High God. Hey, you man. Over on your right, sir. Pull over on your right for me. Me done with you. I know I've done for you with it. Wash my hands off the situation.
Oh, I'm just here relaxing, taking a hard life easy. Give thanks anyhow.
Me don't know what Master, I tell you the truth. Me don't understand what go on. You see, if you spans it, come and can spans it, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's about 3 feet wide. Oh, Master. Hello. Where? You see what me do from your son. Hand to your side, the national anthem I play.
Is what?
Lantern. Cree, you can't lick me, you can't catch me, Cree.
Come here. Me no wanna wrestle man back on me.
No, I don't know why we learn the things we learn, especially in a maths class. You are gonna go up in a supermarket and ask them what is the matrix of a banana chips? Are you gonna do that? No. So why the hell me I learn it? It stress me out. Me don't know.
Hey, blood clot.
Turn on the fucking radio 24 bomber clock hours a day. You hear?
Father Deepo.
Father.
Holy. You catch it alive?
Sick and tired of hearing that bomber blood clot. Sin.
After you know, I'm on the road, you know, I see that little girl about, you know. So we about my little girl, you know. I lost my lunch money. I seen her for bathroom, little thing, the girl. Your grandmother not tell you. Your mother not teach you in the bathroom, you get wrinkles on your face and you get ugly. You know, for bathroom, them thing, they go, it's $200 go to school. You understand? I can answer a question. I say, yes, after, you know. And you don't cry all the while. I say, why is this, sir? You know, because you're ugly.
As you can see, I water them blood clot, yoy.
You think it's a go so when I hold it tonight? I go and do pop it, chop it, blood clot.
On a trampoline and read up your pussy like a magazine. You see like tangerine. Here what you could do for me, girl. Sit down, run the cocky like a rocking chair and rock it up in there.
Kitchen, I want to eat with you. You know, eat your dinner already. Come on, if you know I want to eat with you. Come out of the kitchen, man. Come out of the blood clot kitchen.
Little boy, how much time I must tell you must stop back your face? It's gonna make you go blind.
Dad, I'm over here.
Huh? Oh.
Clot, my boy.
No, it's not me,
no,
I swear.
Say, boy, the ramp, me kill your pussy clot, the ramp with me. The one for your ramp with you. Me say, hey boy, me, hey boy, bit of quarter blood clot, you know. And the other man for your ramp, stop up your blood clot,
yeah?
Stop your woman,
Anthony Miller meet his match.
Out here on my own.
Again, you can't sing. Sorry about that. It is true.
You have to stop it though, you're too awful.
Yeah.
You're too awful, you have to stop it. There's a big bully. You must stop it.
Okay.
You have to stay so.
Thank you very much.
You must stay so, you stay too bad.
Thank you very much. Next.
This cannot be chocolate milk. Only in Jamaica.
Anatolia shell down. Nothing no go on. Bumbo clear. But could hold up this, sorry. I'm a belly of gas. I wonder if them hear it. Them can't hear that part there. Jesus Christ. I break the momentum. Boy. Them couldn't hear it, but
Come here and dig it for a boy, man.
Jesus Christ. Oh, no, not hear that.
Look, so. Jesus Christ. I think we need a filter. Could you put a filter on it?
Hello, me can't swim enough. Oh. Hey, something not right in here, you know. The spirit tell me say something not right.
Shit, what was that?
See I'm rasting. Hey, me not turning how we do it, you know. Ben, you forward?
Shit, yo, there it is again, man. There's something in here. Just keep moving. Ben!
Jesus Christ! Somebody help him now! Bamba Khan! He's dead!
Me? Sometimes I just go. And sometimes I just come back. I just right now just feel like my God.
What problem? What is it? Don't smell my catches. I want to hear. What kind of thing that? You fish? You know, woman cat. What kind of nasty? Hello, I'm telling you, I don't want you to take up them dirty style. Since you go out the door, go lick head with them dirty puss there. You come in here with them nastiness. Mix it. I don't want to see you lick head with them dirty puss there. You hear me, sir? I may never see you to do again and see what go on. Right.